Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to insert a picture or image into a Word document. For inserting picture or image, we have two different options. One is picture from file, second one is online pictures. Picture from file is the pictures which we have already saved in our computer. The online pictures are pictures we can insert from the online. Now let us see how to insert a picture from file. So I need the picture below this paragraph. So I keep the cursor below the paragraph. We will go to this insert tab. In insert tab, inside the illustrations group, we can see an option called pictures. So I click on pictures. Then we will come to the correspondent folder. Say if it is in the desktop, you will select a desktop, or if it is in documents, you can take a documents. For me, the picture is in the pictures folder. So I select the pictures. From pictures, I will select the saved pictures option. I click on a picture and I insert. So you can see the picture is inserted below the paragraph. Now, to resize the picture, we have two options. One is after clicking on the picture, you'll keep the mouse pointer on any of the selection point so that the mouse pointer will change it to a double-sided arrow like this. We click and drag to resize the picture. So this is a one option. The second option is we click on the picture, we'll go to the format tab. In the format tab, we have a size dialog box launcher. So I click on the size dialog box launcher. I uncheck this log aspect ratio. Then we specify a height. So I give a 1.5 and I give a width 1.5 inch. Click on OK. So this is the second way to resize a picture. Now I have to keep the picture in the right side of this paragraph. So now if we try to drag, it is not easy to drag the picture. The picture is moving, but it is not properly aligned. For this, we will select the picture. We will click on the format tab. In format tab, in the arrange group, we can see a wrap text option. We click on the wrap text option, selecting square. Clicking on this square. Now you can see we can move the picture very easily on your document. Now we are going to apply a picture border for the given picture. So for that, we will click on the picture, move to this format tab, picture border. We will select a different line color. We'll give a different line weight. So we inserted a picture from file. We resized the picture. We moved the picture to a specific location on the document. Then we applied a picture border. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.